So hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to remove these rain marks, stubborn rain marks, acid rain or watermarks, whatever you call it. I did scrub this using different compounds, and as you can see here, there's already a buildup of so much powder right here, but to no avail. So with this project, I don't know if you can see it in my video, I'm using my Ray-Ban Meta glasses, but really the rain markers are so nasty. I can barely see. It's really raining, and when it's at night. So for this project, I'm going to use this. I believe it's a Quad Zero metal scrub, and this compound I bought online. I'm not going to show you yet what the product is, but later on I will demonstrate you how I did the other side over there. So it's really clean now on the passenger side, the side view mirror at the passenger side. So I'm gonna do now the driver side of the side mirror. So for start, I'm going to wash it. Any dirt or stains using a damp cloth. Okay, and using this compound, I'm going to pour just a little bit so on this scrubbing material, just a little. Okay, like so, and then gently in a circular motion, ever so lightly scrub. Don't press too hard, just be patient. Make sure that every corner of the glass is scrubbed. Now sometimes if you feel like, or you see that it's already drying up, you can just spray on some water just to make the compound a bit liquefy again, like so. So just be patient, continue doing this. Do not press so hard on the glass, you might break anything underneath the glass, any mechanism or electronics. Just ever so lightly, and again, be patient. So continue this, and then later on wash it off, see your progress. If it needs another passing, do it repeatedly until the glass is very clear of any rain marks. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the video right here and show you later the result. So now I did only half of the mirror, the top portion, the half top, and I did not begin doing the bottom half of the mirror. Okay, so there is still watermarks at the bottom. So this is the top portion I did. So using a wet cloth, I'm gonna wipe it off, and yeah, no more watermarks. But I'm still going to do a second pass later on, and I'm going to do completely for the whole glass. So I don't know if you can see it, but I don't see any watermarks anymore, and I have not done any buffing to this yet. Buffing is optional, it's up to you if you're going to buff it using rubbing compound or probably a paste wax. Yeah. But for now, I'm going to do a complete removal of the watermarks. At the bottom, there are still, let me dry it off. Okay. So there's an improvement in the top portion. I need to do another pass here, but to see the difference right here. You see it? Okay, so I'm going to complete the whole process for the whole class. So hi again, I'm back. I have completed all the surface of the mirror, and right now I'm cleaning with a wet cloth. Forgive me for this dirty wet cloth I'm using. It's up to you if you want to cover the borders or the housing of the glass before you do the steps I taught you. Okay, so I can still see some powders or leftovers of the wax or whatever compound they used here before. I don't know, because I bought this car secondhand and it's already in this state. But as you can see, the watermarks on the mirror surface are completely gone. See? So I just need to take care these edges or right here. For that, I'm going to use my old toothbrush. I'm going to use a mild multi-purpose cleaner. So I'm going to apply a few or some, and I'm going to start brushing the edges, and I'll get back to you once I'm done with this. See you again. Okay, I'm done scrubbing the mirror. So as you can see, there are no more watermarks left, and I just brushed the sides here with a toothbrush sprayed with WD-40 to remove the excess powder or whatnot. So have a look. No more rain marks or watermarks or acid rain. Good. So like and follow. Thank you.